Hello students, this is the second video of direct variation. Here I will do some typical type of sums, although they are very easy. Look, the scale of a map is given as 1:2,0,0,0, that is 7 zeros are here. That means in map if it is 1 centimeter, originally its distance is ato centimeter. In the map if it is given the distance between two places is 1 centimeter, originally it is ato centimeter. Two cities are 3 centimeter apart on the map. Okay? So more the distance is map, more is the actual distance. Find the actual distance. Answer. Let the actual distance be x centimeter. At first we are finding it at centimeter. Okay. So more the distance in map, more the original distance, right? More the original distance. So it is a case of direct variation. So 1 is to take care of zeros. Okay. So 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal to 3 by x. Now x equal to 3 into 2 add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is, so distance 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeter. That is equal to, we have to put in kilometer. Centimeter divided by 100 is meter. Again divided by 1000 is kilometer. From centimeter to kilometer, what we am doing? From dividing centimeter to 100 by we getting meter, and that meter is divided by 100. That means kilometer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 600 kilometer. This is the answer. Student, can you see it properly? Yes. 600 kilometer. This is the required distance. Okay, now we will do the next one. Look, this is a different type of sum. If 3 men or 4 women, that is 3 men or 4 women same. 3 men or 4 women can earn rupees 480 in a day. Find how much will 6 men and, here it is or, but here it is and. 6 men and 11 women earn in a day. That means there is a relation between men and earn. Not relation between men and women. Relation between earning of man and earning of woman. So earning of, from the data we see, earning of 3 men equal to earning of 4 women. So earning of 1 man equal to earning of 4 by 3 women. That is using nothing but unitary method. So earning of what? We have to find 6 men and 11 women. So earning of 6 men equal to earning of, what we are trying to do here, that is 8 women. Look, it is given 3 men or 4 women. So we can say the earning of 3 men is ato or earning of 4 women is ato. But what we have to find, earning of 6 men and 11 women in a day. That means we have to convert earning of men or in one part. Either it will be all in earning of men or all will be earning of women. But what I am doing, what I am trying to do, I am trying to do earning of 6 men equal to earning of 8 women. That is, we are converting the income of earning of men into earning of women. Now it will be very easy for me. Now, earning of 6 men and 11 women equal to earning of 6 men, 6 men is 8 women. 8 women plus earning of 11 women. That is equal to earning of 19 women. We have to find. So at first number of women was 4 and here it will be 19. At first income was 480. Now what is the income? We have to find. Let earning of 19 women in a day be rupees X. Now I will do the sum. Okay, please copy the sum. Look, now what will I do? So it is a case of direct variation. So it is a case of direct variation. You will write it is a case of direct variation. Therefore 4 by 480 equal to 19 by X. Now 4 into X equal to 19 into 480. That means X equal to 19 into 480 by 4. By X equal to 2280. So answer required income or answer earning of 19 women is rupees 2280. This is the answer. Okay, students, this is a very easy type of sum. Go on practicing. I think there will be no problem. Okay, thank you and thank you for watching the video. And student, if you like the video or if you really think that it is helpful for you, you must share the video, okay, and subscribe the video. Thank you.